The next part of the question asks us to do the following. Part 1, it's asking us to rotate triangle ABC 180 degrees around the midpoint of side AC. So let's find the midpoint of side AC and now rotate the triangle 180 degrees around that point. Remember what we've talked about in the past. 180 degrees is half a circle. So it doesn't matter if you're going clockwise in a circle or counterclockwise in a circle, 180 degrees will bring you to the same point. It then tells you to rename that vertex that is created as point D. Likewise, it tells you to rotate triangle ABC around the midpoint of side AB. So let's find the midpoint of side AB and rotate our triangle 180 degrees around that point. And we will name that point as E. The next part of the question is asking you to look at the angles EAB, so this one here, BAC, so this one over here, and CAD. And it states that without measuring them, can you determine what the sum of the measures of those angles are? And so those three angles that are blue around point A make up a line or half a circle. And we know that a line is 180 degrees. Therefore, those three angles add up to 180 degrees. Let's verify that that's correct. We'll use the measuring tool for the angle, and let's measure angle EAB. Well, that comes out to be 45 degrees. Let's measure angle BAC. And that comes out to be about 108.43 degrees. Let's measure that last angle CAD. And that comes out to be 26.57 degrees. And so if we took our calculator or a piece of paper and we added those all together, they do indeed come out to be 180 degrees. The next part of the question is asking, is the measure of EAB, so the angle that's 45 degrees, is that equal to any measure in triangle ABC? Well, it is equal to angle ABC because we know that when our figure was rotated 180 degrees, that was the angle that is corresponding to angle EAB. Let's measure it and double check. Let me try that one more time. There we go. And it comes out to be 45 degrees. The next part says, what about the measure of CAD? So the one that is 26.57 degrees. Is that the same as any of the angles in triangle ABC? Well, we know that that angle was created from angle ACB from that rotation that we did before. So those would be corresponding as well. Let's measure and make sure that that's correct. And we do get 26.57 degrees for that angle as well. So now the question is asking, well then, if those angles are corresponding, what is the sum of the angles in a triangle? Well, if we add together the 45, 108.43, and 26.57, again, we get 180 degrees, which is exactly the same as the value of the sum of the angles in the straight line that we did before.